It's a new year and time to invent a new you. And whether you need just a little bit of help looking younger or erasing some sun damage, brown and red spots, or perhaps you need a helping hand with your body, at LaFontaine Aesthetics, they can help.
First impressions are key. If your skin looks healthy and vibrant, you will look healthy and vibrant. You only really have one chance to make a first impression. When I see patients, oftentimes I say, if you need to make any changes or improve your appearance, you really should put it into your face. Sun damage accumulate over the years that you've been on the beach or to the lake or skiing, causes sunspots, brown spots that really makes you age, as well as gives you some broken capillaries, can make your skin look rough, your texture a little bit thickened and some fine lines. Sun damage really does make a person's skin age. Photofacial is a light-based treatment that we can use on the face or other parts of the body that treats sun damage. It really improves the browns like sunspots and also the broken capillaries and the redness that you can get with sun damage. It's a very popular treatment because there's minimal downtime and it doesn't hurt very much. And then over the next week, the brown spots or the broken capillaries will flake off or go away. And if someone comes in and they have a large sunspot on the side of their face, if we really can make that go away, that can take years off somebody. At LaFontaine, we've been doing laser liposuction for close to a year, and we've been getting really great results, not only with improving the results of liposuction, but decreasing the downtime and also getting some skin tightening that the laser really helps. Laser lipo is like liposuction that's done under local anesthesia, and then we use a laser and that really increases the effectiveness of it as well as decreasing the downtime. So people really only need to take 3 days off of work. They don't need to go to a surgical center. They can have it done in the office, all done under local anesthesia. When I would see our patients in consultation, they'd say, well, why can't you take the fat out of my thighs and then put them somewhere else, like the breasts or the face? And here at LaFontaine, we're gonna start incorporating that procedure into our clinic this month. And so we're gonna be able to use the fat that we take out of your thighs and put it other places that will be beneficial.
Dr. Oleszek, I love this picture because I think it really demonstrates all the different things that you're able to do here at LaFontaine. This is an actual patient of yours, is that right?
Well, that's right. Let me tell you about what we did to this patient. We treated her skin with laser resurfacing, and then around her mouth, we used, in addition to laser resurfacing, we used some filler that is a gel we injected under the skin to kind of plump out those smoker's lines. In addition, we used some filler, which is an injection that goes under her eyes to kind of plump her cheeks and make her look rejuvenated. And the Botox we used on the outside of her eyes to kind of lift that eyebrow to give her that awake look.
And it's all non-surgical.
Yes, and that's the great thing, is this is all done without surgery, minimal downtime, and very minimal pain. Now make that frown for me. Okay, great. Relax now all the way. Great. Poke.
What does Botox do?
So what Botox does is it relaxes the muscles and lets you smooth out those lines, giving you a relaxed, freshened, awake look.
And I think that the stereotype out there is that it's going to be a frozen look, but that's not it at all.
No, you can adjust it now and really make it look very natural. I mean, the most common people that I have come in say they just don't want to look tired, they don't want to look angry, and that really helps.
And I'll be honest, as a new mom, I'm so tired every single day. It's nice to have that Botox just to fake like I had a good night's sleep when I didn't.
We have lasers that can treat wrinkles, acne scars, stretch marks, brown spots, red discoloration of the face. The Vein Center, we have multiple lasers. 2 lasers that can treat spider veins and 1 laser that can treat the bulging varicose veins on your legs. This is a new stretch mark laser. It's the only FDA-approved laser for stretch marks and the only FDA-approved treatment for stretch marks. And with only 3 to 6 treatments, we can get 50% improvement in those embarrassing stretch marks. Stretch marks are a form of scars, and you really can't treat scars by putting on lotions or potions. You really have to get down there and change the tissue, and this laser does that. It actually goes down and remodels the scar tissue. The laser is going down at these settings to 600 microns, which is deep enough to change the stretch marks. Well, vein disease is a common disease. It occurs in 25% of women, 15% of men, and it commonly shows up as bulging veins in the legs or spider veins in the legs. Bulging veins can cause swelling, pain, achiness at night, tired feeling, and the nice thing about it is nowadays it's easy to treat. There's easy treatments for it. Insurance covers that, and often it's with minimal downtime and no side effects. First of all, we evaluate the patient. We'll take a look at them with physical exam, and then we have an on-site duplex ultrasound where we can actually look at the veins and see where the problem is. If we see a problem with reverse flow, then we can document that, and that's what we need to treat first. We have about 5 lasers that we can use to shoot the laser through the skin that will actually coagulate the blood vessel and make it go away without using a needle or anything like that. And we can pick the laser that best suits your veins. The new treatment that we use is the inside the vein treatment with a laser. So we actually advance a laser fiber into the vein, and then as we fire the laser, it scars down the vein and takes away the bulging vein, all done inside the vein, which decreases pain and swelling and downtime afterwards.
As a breast cancer survivor, I'm asking you to give the women in your life precious extra time. Please make a one-time $5.
So what does the radio frequency do? How does it tighten and lift?
So what's going on is we're driving heat at a certain frequency into the skin. It's going to create these little micro tears into the skin, a lot like exercise. You know, when you build muscle, you create little micro tears in the muscle tissue. Same thing is kind of happening with the collagen and elastin in the skin. Generally, 6 treatments is the protocol for tightening of skin. Depending on how severe or loose the skin is, we could need maybe 8. But in general, 6 treatments is where I like to start and see what we're going to end up with. We have many other therapeutic and beneficial treatments for body here at LaFontaine, whether it's stimulating the metabolism to help increase the weight loss, stretch marks, scars. Cellulite is our biggest one here at LaFontaine. The Cellulite Center here is got 6 different treatments that actually can help benefit cellulite. It lasts about an hour for each treatment. When you're doing accent just by itself, I generally like to do the treatment 6 weeks apart. You will see your results continue up to 3 months after your final treatment.